How to fix Netflix sound problem. Welcome everybody. I will give you the best solution for this problem, easy and quick. Let's do it. So go open the settings of your mobile phone. Click here on apps option, and right now on your apps option, search for Netflix and click. So guys, you will find this list here. Click storage, click clear cache, and just back, click on force stop, click right now here, okay. So move right now directly to Play Store or App Store. You should update right now your Netflix, and after updating your Netflix, go restart your mobile phone, and that's all. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and bye.